GTA Math. What's up? So, today we're going to work on finding and locating the horizontal tangent lines to this curve. Right above here, we have our problem, and we're going to work on finding the horizontal tangent lines. So, I tried to simplify it and break it down into 3 steps. Step 1, take the derivative of the function, which we have up here, that's bolded. Step 2, set the derivative equal to 0. Lastly, we're going to just solve for x and find out the values for the tangent lines. So the first thing we're going to do is take the derivative of this function. So we're going to write the problem out. And now we're going to derive it. So we're going to end up with y. I should do a different color actually. We're going to end up with y prime. And then we're going to have 3x squared plus 6x. Now we're at step 2. So I'm going to just put a 1 up here. And I'm going to put a 2 up here. Excuse me, that's incorrect actually. This is step 1. Now we're at step 2. Kinda. So I'm going to take this function here and I'm actually going to just put a 0 next to it. So we're going to have 0 equals 3x squared plus 6x. That's a lot better. Now I'm going to call this step 2, because that makes more sense. We set the derivative equal to 0 right after we took the derivative of the function. Now we're going to solve for x. So the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to factor, because that just makes the most sense. So we have 0 equals, I'm going to do this in a different color. I know that there's a 3 in common here in both of these terms and an x. So I'm going to take out a 3x. And then we're going to be left with this binomial of x right here plus 2. Because if we distributed this back in, we would have this problem. So now I'm going to take each of these terms and I'm going to set them equal to 0. I'm going to call this term 1, term 2, and I'm going to do a different color for each one of them. So 1 is going to be here, and that's really just going to be 3x equals 0. We're going to solve for 0, like we said in step 3. And we have x equals 0. And then here in step 2, not step 2, but part 2 of problem number, well, step 3, we're going to have x plus 2 equals 0. This method is really equivalent to like solving for intercepts. It's just we're doing it for horizontal tangents located on the curve of the function we're given. And since horizontal tangent lines are parallel to the x-axis, we're just using this method to figure it out since we're solving for x, which we said was a part of step 3. So we got minus 2 here, just some algebra techniques. And now we have x equals -2. So our values that we found located on the horizontal tangent line for the curve we were given is x equals 0, x, I can just say 0, and then -2. It's a lot cleaner. And truthfully, I have a lot to learn about horizontal tangent lines. So even if my definition and understanding of it wasn't perfect, these are the correct steps you would use in order to solve and find the tangent lines to this curve we were given. GTA Math. I appreciate everybody sticking with me, showing support, tuning in and watching these videos. I know I haven't been doing as much math content as I usually do, but life happens. So thank you for sticking with me. Let's continue to learn, love, and grow together on this journey of life. Take care.